Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app, and from this home section you're going to go ahead, tap on a user. You can go ahead, tap on the search bar and search a particular user you would like to block. Then when you go back, you're going to go ahead, tap on the person's profile, and then you can tap on this share icon you can see on top right corner. You tap on that, you tap on this icon of block. You can tap on block, which is the confirmation, and that particular person or the ID will be blocked. They will not have access to your content, and they will not be able to have access to your profile either. And same goes for you. You will not be able to have access to their content, neither their profile. You can unblock them from your block list from your profile settings anytime you would like, and that is basically how you will be able to do so. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.